So I don't want single guys in my office.
So I created 4 questions to make any girl fall in love.
So if any of you can't get a girl by the end of these speed dates, you're fired.
What stood out when you first saw me? Or take a shot of whiskey.
I'll take a shot of whiskey. Okay, boom.
That's not a shot.
Well, how much? Do I take a shot now?
Ooh, you have nice eyes.
Thank you.
Well, what do you like to do?
Josh, your job is on the line.
My job's on the line.
Yes.
I mean, I was gonna say your makeup, like eyeshadow, I like it.
Your eyes and your deep brows.
Thank you.
I like that.
But you like going hiking or anything like
I
that?
love going.
Oh,
I
man.
love nature.
My question is, can we do both?
All right, cheers.
Cheers to our first date. Oh, you took the whole thing. Okay, took a baby sip.
I was going up the mountain, about like an hour and a half. I'm up and like, yo, this is the top. Like I'm at the peak. I have a beautiful view.
Yeah.
And another guy comes up like, no, the mountain's all the way up there. You're about halfway done. I was like, nah, that's it. I'm calling it a day.
What stood out is that you were wearing a button up.
Is that like not normal? How is that not normal?
But you wear it like casually. That's cool.
Your hair.
Yes.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, so give me 3 reasons why I shouldn't date you or take a shot of hot sauce.
I'm toxic.
Well, you got me. That's enough to know. I could take a shot of hot sauce.
Yeah, you
I'm gonna take a shot. Of hot sauce. I love hot sauce. Hey, let's cheers.
All right, cheers.
Cheers. Oh gosh, what did I do to myself?
Oh, that looks bad. That's crazy.
You have to take a shot of hot sauce.
You're bold.
Three things, not just one, 3. I have a daughter, so if kids is a problem. That won't work.
I don't know. I think I'm pretty great. So I'm gonna take the shot. I'm gonna take the shot.
Okay.
I'm gonna take the shot because I think I'm pretty great. I don't really have anything bad to say about myself right now.
I say patient. Sometimes I might get like a little impatient.
Okay.
If you don't get what I'm saying,
Yeah.
try to explain that so someone else can understand that too.
Yeah, it's hard for guys.
Yeah.
Next challenge, your
I get this
turn.
one.
This date's going so well.
Oh man, this is really bad, bro.
What is it?
What is this? Show each other your DMs or eat pig feet.
I'll show you my DMs. Could you
Wait.
pass me my phone?
All right, just don't open the ones I haven't opened yet.
You want to check them out?
There you go.
Have a good time. Ball out.
Are you finding anything interesting?
Not really.
I'm about to put you on blast right now.
You know what? Never mind. I'm gonna show my DMs, okay? I don't like pig feet.
Who's
Yo.
Angela? Who
crazy.
is Angela? You have so many girls in your DMs.
That's cab.
That's Cab?
I don't even know them. They just.
There's a lot of girls here. David.
Okay, so I dare you to kiss me or I dare you to text your ex, I miss you. Tell me a little about your ex.
I'll text my ex, I miss you. I don't kiss on the first date.
So you both have to come into agreement here. What would you guys prefer to do?
Well, I asked, so I think that you should tell me.
I know what I don't want to do.
She's very energetic. She was kind of like the guy version of me. She's very like, you know,
nice.
cool, funny.
What's your zodiac sign?
The what?
Okay, what do you not want to do?
The second one.
You don't want to text your ex.
Definitely not.
Okay.
Hey, so he knows what he wants to do.
I like someone who knows what they want to do.
What about your ex?
Oh, you're asking me at my ex. Okay, we're gonna do the kiss, right? I think that's what we're gonna do. Okay, right now, you ready?
Alright.
All right, I'll kiss you. Like it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
All right.
Would you like to go on another date with me? If yes, when and where? If no, why not?
I would go on another date. I would say yes.
Alright.
Yeah, vice versa. Would
Right,
you
then
like
we
to
go
go?
kayaking?
Yeah.
I would say yes. Where? I actually saw this wine tasting bar recently, walking around my neighborhood.
So I whine because I'm older.
Yeah. I'll go on another date with you. Shit, it could be this weekend.
No? Okay. Well, this weekend I'm a little busy.
You have like a commercial TV voice. I thought you were.
Me?
Yeah, I thought you were like a professional newscaster or something. You know.
What's the
camera's still rolling.
Thanks,
All
David.
right. Thank you, Shania.
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 So David secured the kiss, Josh secured the kiss, Noah, well, he still didn't. So now I'm gonna give them 10 seconds to impress a new girl, but this time with their talents. All right, so this is Ro. These are the 3 guys. For all or nothing, you guys have 10 seconds to impress her.
All right. My name is David.
Hi,
I'm
David.
25 years old, and my hobby is guitar.
Okay, let's see it.
name is Josh.
Hi,
and
Josh.
I'm gonna be a little bit of an artist today, so I'm gonna draw something real quick.
Okay. Are you drawing me or you're just?
That might be a possibility.
Okay, it's a surprise. All right.
Wait, well, what's it?
I'm gonna draw now. All right, turn your head a little bit to the side. Perfect.
All right, bro. Last time you didn't get the number. You didn't get the digits.
This time, bro.
You got this.
I got this right.
You got
I got this right.
You the man.
What is happening?
So unlike Josh over here, mine's a little bit more complex. So girls hate it when you don't text them back. So I wrote a script to automatically text them back every time they send a message. Give me your phone number.
That's it? You're just gonna ask like that?
David, time.
I would have liked it to be longer, but that was awesome.
Okay,
That was
cool.
so good. So I play the guitar as well, so I'm a big fan of musicians. I would love to go on a date with you.
Let's go! Artistic, bro.
Okay, that is funny, but it's a little bit cheesy for me. I'm not sure how much talent that took. I'm gonna have to say no.
It's okay, bro.
919, that is a real number.
Hey, let's see if it's real, guys. Let's see if it's real.
Okay, is your name Google because you are everything I've been searching for?
Is that good enough? Cute?
Cute, yes, but these cheesy pickup lines. I was
Finish it.
Okay.
You ruined me now. No.
I wasn't done. There's a plot twist coming. I gotta say, I appreciate the fact that you took it a step further and you used some kind of program. So I will swipe right.
Told you.